At Weston, the same things that drive you drive us. We value freshness, flavor, and knowing exactly where our food came from. Weston's professional series of vacuum sealers can seal bags from 11 to 15 inches wide, so your biggest catch is no problem to preserve. The professional line comes with commercial-grade vacuum pumps that are powered by fan-cooled 980 to 235 watt motors. All models have an angled vacuum chamber opening to help prevent liquids from entering the pump, and are made from precision-engineered stainless steel that let you preserve your food with speed, power, and rugged durability. The professional series of vacuum sealers are constructed with top-of-the-line performance in mind, giving you confidence that our heavy-duty vacuum sealers will be there for you next hunting or harvest season, and many more to come. The 1100 features a bag roll holder and cutter and gives you full control over your sealing time. The 2300 features a 15-inch seal bar and is available in stainless steel or a white-coated steel finish. The 3000 is the top of the line with a 15-inch seal bar, 935 watt motor, and a digital display that allows you to precisely set and monitor your sealing progress. Weston carries a complete line of vacuum sealing bags from pints to gallons and rolls so you can customize your bag size. By vacuum sealing your foods, you know without a doubt that your bulk meat, seafood, and vegetables will be preserved perfectly for when you're ready to cook them. Plus, it opens up new culinary possibilities such as sous vide cooking, pickling, and more. Weston's professional series of vacuum sealers give you the control you expect over your food processing. We help you process, preserve, and prepare the bounty of nature. You can be sure that your food will have the best flavor and nourishment for your family and will continue to until next season. At Weston, it's our pleasure to be there with you as you bring the field and farm to your table.